How to use Skyscanner for cheap flights. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can basically use the Skyscanner app for cheap flights. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use the Skyscanner app for cheap flights, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Skyscanner app. Then once you launch the Skyscanner app, you will see this type of interface. If you look at the very top, you have the flights option. So all you need to do is just tap the flights button over here. Then once you tap the flights option, choose from where you want to depart and to where you want to depart to. So after you select the dates and the locations as well as the number of members, you're talking about cheap rates basically means about what kind of flight you want to book. Because if you choose economy, which is one of the cheapest, then you will of course get a very fair price. And if you have coupon codes and everything else, you can apply them to your flight, and then you can actually also go ahead and then get discounts if you have any type of referral codes or something. But if not, then I just recommend you take economy. But if you want to go business and premium economy, that's totally your choice. And in first, it's basically very rare. You will most likely find no flights whenever you select the first class option. But if you do want to, you can select economy for a cheaper flight and then just click on them. The thing about getting cheaper flights is that you can use the coupon codes, as I said earlier, if you do have, or you can simply apply some discounts or whatever else you prefer. Then once you've done that, all you need to do is select a list of available flights, because you can see those flights, dates and details over here. Then just click on scroll down and then just choose a provider. Select your provider that you want to choose, whether it could be trip.com or British Airways, because there are basically many airlines out there, and it's going to choose some of the relevant ones. And then once you select a specific date and a specific flight that you want to book, you can just select that flight, you can confirm the payment details, and your flight will be successfully booked. This is simply how you can use Skyscanner for cheap flights. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.